Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of the tedious process of creating presentations from scratch? Do you wish you had a tool that could transform your documents into captivating presentations in just a matter of minutes? Well, your search ends here. Allow me to introduce to you Sendsteps AI, the ultimate solution that can effortlessly convert your documents into instant presentations using the power of artificial intelligence. But before we dive into the magic, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on more informative videos like this. Now, without any further delay, let us embark on this exciting journey. To kickstart our adventure with Sendsteps AI, the first step is to create an account. I won't go into the details of the account creation process here, as I have already covered it in a separate video titled How to Get Started with Sendsteps AI, an AI Presentation Maker. You can easily follow along with that video for step-by-step guidance. Assuming you have successfully logged in into your Sendsteps AI account, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Think of this dashboard as the central command center for all your presentation endeavors. It is where you can efficiently manage your projects and access a treasure trove of handy tools. Over on the left side of your screen, you will find your workspace and a plethora of resources, including templates, settings, and your library. In the heart of the dashboard, you will face some decisions about how to proceed with your presentation. You can choose to kick things off by utilizing an existing document, import a PowerPoint presentation you have crafted before, or embark on a brand new presentation from scratch. The choice is entirely yours, tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Since our goal is to convert documents into presentations, we will click on the Create from Document option. Simply select your desired file, whether it is a PDF or a PowerPoint presentation. Don't worry, the supported document types are clearly listed here. Once you have made your selection, just sit back and relax while the document is imported. By the way, it is essential to keep in mind that the size of your document can significantly affect the processing time of this sophisticated presentation tool, so a bit of patience may be required as it works its magic. Once the import process is complete, you will find yourself at a crossroads of creativity. You can now fine-tune the presentation's title to capture the essence of your message perfectly, and then just simply click on Next. As you proceed, the platform will generously offer you an outline of your presentation, laying the groundwork for your creative journey. Now, with another decisive click on Generate, like a skilled magician revealing a mesmerizing trick, you will watch in awe as your presentation takes shape before your eyes. It is as if you have summoned a digital wizard to conjure a polished and professional presentation, ready to dazzle your audience. Gone are the days of laboriously sifting through lengthy PDFs, for here, you simply upload them and the system gracefully transforms them into captivating presentations. But the magic doesn't stop there. If you are one to seek the perfect balance of art and information, you can further customize your creation. Adding or deleting slides is as easy as waving a wand, and you can play around with themes and animation to infuse your presentation with your unique style and charisma. You can also add videos or images if you want. The beauty of this platform lies in the fact that you retain full control. Much like a master conductor directing an orchestra, you can edit and refine every aspect, ensuring that the final masterpiece aligns precisely with your vision. So feel free to sculpt and mold your presentation as you see fit, because in this realm of digital enhancement, your creativity knows no bounds. Thanks to modern technology and an innovative platform, what used to take hours now only takes minutes. This time-saving transformation means you no longer have to struggle with formatting or organizing content. Instead, you can quickly create engaging presentations, freeing up your time for more important tasks. This efficiency is a game changer in our fast-paced world, allowing you to focus on delivering impactful messages to your audience. I sincerely hope that this quick guide on getting started with Sendsteps AI has proven to be both informative and helpful. Thank you for joining us today, and make sure to stay tuned for more exciting tutorials on how to make the most out of Sendsteps AI. We will catch you in the next video.